Bro, so I almost absolutely lost it in class the other day. So I go in, I sit down. It's a class that I know I'm going to get an A in. So I normally just play Clash Royale. I really don't need to take notes. I just go for attendance. And so I'm sitting there playing Clash Royale. I'm playing this new Hog Cycle deck. Well, I'm doing all right. And I get into one specific game specifically. And the guy has a Mega Knight. But it's not just a normal Mega Knight. It's an Evo Mega Knight. And it is absolutely the most rage-inducing deck I've ever played against in my life. So I was going in overtime, and he slings down that Evo Mega Knight. My Hog is getting sent 50 miles across the arena. So I lose that game. I about chuck my phone across the classroom. I just slam it down, and everyone's looking at me. I grab my binder out, grab a pencil, and I just start taking notes. No more Clash Royale. I about lost it. It drove me to actually taking notes in a class where I know I was going to get an A in. I just go for attendance. Clash Royale has me absolutely mind-boggled.